कॅज्यू नट असुनी की आमची फेणी असुनी should reach every nook and corner of the world. Whether you see scotch or you see tequila, काय vodka and whatever, it was जगभर सगळ्याक मेळटा. But फेणी is not easily available. When you take it to the global level, automatically तुझो फेणी डिस्टिलर आसा पळय ताका बेनिफीट जातलो. तो बेनिफीट जाता म्हणसर हू सप्लायज हिम द फ्रूट? इट इज द फार्मर एंड द सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप. सो दे इनडायरेक्टली गेट बेनिफिटेड विथ इट. प्रायस वाडटलो, तांकां जे मुट्टे जे सप्लाय जाता ते मुट्टे आमचे नाल्यार फार्मर कितें करता, नट काडटा, मुट्ट्यांक तांकां प्रायस मेळना म्हणून तशेंच सोडटात. लोकल जस्ट एट लोकल लेवल दे यूज एंड दे डोंट हे. बट टुमोरो अ डिस्टिलर गेट्स अ गुड प्रायस इंटरनॅशनली, तो तितलो एक्स्ट्रा पेमेंट करतलो आमच्या फार्मराक आनी सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुपांक आनी दे वील बेनिफीट. सो दीस इज वन फ्रूट वेर देर इज झिरो वेस्टेज. फ्रुटी यूज जाता, ताजो नटी यूज जाता आनी ताजे पळय जे शेल्सूय आसा, शेल्स आर ऑल्सो यूज ऑफ द नट टू आमचे पळय बोट्स बी आसा ताका वार्निश करतात, प्रेजर्वेटिव्स म्हणून यूज करतात. इन आयुर्वेदा doctors are using the shells and all and the fruit, even the fruit mutte, for ayurvedic treatment. They are using it. So there is not a part of this fruit which is like gone to waste manta tashe. So yeah, this is the motive behind the festival, where we want to showcase the humble cashew fruit, our legacy, our heritage to India and to the global stage. And this is the reason we have this festival. And when we say explore, means you come and explore our heritage manta ami legacy. You empower आमचे farmer, आमचे distiller, आमचे nut processor, आमचे self help group. That's why we say empower. And enrich means you come and get a enriching experience. So experience that you get. सो प्रत्येक फावटी वी आर शोईंग, आमची इथे एक भाटी आसता, एक ड्रम रोस्टिंग जाता. ह्या फावटी आनी एक फेणी, क्लेमेंट ऑफ आनी एक फेणी, ही हॅज टेकन द इनिशिएटिव्ह. ही इज पुट अस like a full experience center which he's taken out on his own. Means he said I will support you all, and he's doing it on his own. So entire experience center म्हणजे थंय there will be एक भाटी आसतली, कशी फेणी करतात, कसो उराक करतात ते दाखयतले. थंय स्टॉम्पिंग जातले. फर्स्ट टायम यू विल सी स्टॉम्पिंग हॅपनिंग ऑफ द काजू पळय मळटात आमचे पळय आमी गांवांनी पळयतात. सो एक थंय सो पीपल, फ्रेंड्स, लायक एवरीबडी कॅन कम टुगेदर. सो एट वन टायम 4-5 फ्रेंड्स कॅन एक्चुअली कम अँड डू द प्रॉपर कॅज्यू स्टॉम्पिंग आनी एक्सपिरियन्स काजू कशे मळटात ते. मागीर बिसायड्स दॅट देर इज गोइंग टू बी ड्रम रोस्टिंग, जे गांवांनी काजू पळय रोस्ट करून मेळटा तसले काजू आसतले. देर विल बी अ नट एक्सट्रॅक्टर विच इज जस्ट रिसंटली innovation. This is a new innovation, and that too this innovation started from 70. फार्मर्सांक 170 मेळटा. आमचे 70 तरी आय कॅन से दॅट 3,500 farmers got 2,500 farmers got 3.5 crores of rupees minimum support price hali. So this information was given to me by my zonal agriculture officer. So हांव मागता की प्रत्येक जो zonal agriculture officer आसा प्रत्येक तालुकाचो, ताणें तर ते एफर्ट्स घेतले आनी पळयले की बाबा जो मिनिमम सपोर्ट प्रायस जो गव्हर्मेंट हॅज अश्युअर्ड टू द फार्मर्स, ते फार्मरा पर्यंत कशें पावतले. कित्याक कितलेशे तुमी द प्रेस किप्स ऑन आस्किंग की हे जो मिनिमम सपोर्ट आसा तांकां टायमली पावना आमच्या फार्मराक, हो कसो पावोवपाचे. सो इदर जे फार्मर्स सोसायटी आसा, द एग्रीकल्चर डिपार्टमेंट, द गव्हर्मेंट takes them into confidence कि you give responsibility to the zonal officer कि you take responsibility for the farmers, and you see that every taluka तुगेले जितले farmers registered आसा शेतकरी तांकां ते ती निधी पावोवपाक जाय. आमी आमच्या through our GFDC corporation we employ over 300 self-help groups, 300 farmers, आणि तांकां जे कितें पयशे पावोवपाचे आसा मिनिमम सपोर्ट प्रायस, we pay them our minimum support price. They are not part of the agriculture department, but GFDC is paying them their minimum support price. So that we have taken the responsibility to look after them and give them their minimum support price. So आता agriculture department has started this initiative आणि हे price वाढेला. So this is like a big jump for us म्हणतात तशे की like a positive way that this moment has been created, that it is just not like a celebration म्हणतात तशे about music आणि हे, but it is caused like a cashew हे GI फेणी, आमची फेणी has finally got the GI tag, which was not there. And first time it's a very proud moment that amcho Kasgar Bhakta, he is exporting his feni and he's the only distiller right now in Goa who has just got his GI tag officially, and he's exporting it and his bottle will be GI tag. So today feni is priced from like 200 to 500 rupees to 3,500 rupees, which we never saw. So over the last 3-4 years, पहिला की फेणी is being exported to many different countries. People are talking about ना जाल्यार गोंया फक्त निरो आनी उराकच जाण आशिल्ले. फेणी it was looked down upon as a poor man's drink, but आता फेणी is different forms of फेणी you get. So and we can call it like a, we can call Feni as our national drink actually, because it is the only drink which Goa knows to make, our people know to make, and no other state can sell it as Feni because we have got the GI tag. So that is like a big advantage for us. So this is helping our distillers. Our distillers who are our stakeholders are very happy that the festival has given them first time a platform. आणि हे एकमेव फेस्टिवल अशें की वी डोंट अलाव एनी अदर लिकर टू बी सर्वड बिकॉज दिस इज कॅज्यू सेंट्रीक. वी वॉन्ट टू टेक कॅज्यू टू द नॅशनल अँड द ग्लोबल लेवल म्हणटा तशें. आमचो जो कॅज्यू आसा अंबल फ्रूट म्हणटा, नट वर्ल्ड फेमस नट कॅज्यू नट, पण ते ताका पळय जो एक दर्जा मेळपाक जाय, आय स्टील फील इट हॅज नॉट गॉट. सो वी हॅव टू टेक इट टू द ग्लोबल लेवल, अँड दिस फेस्टिवल it has created a vibe and people are talking about it. Hopefully now we will take it to the national level soon, by next year maybe,